2021, BeSure completed the commissioning of the ET600 automatic egg tray line in Saudi Arabia and delivered it to the customer, which has been highly recognized by the customer. The production line is fully controlled by PLC system. The whole process of popping, forming, drying and stacking is completed in one integration. The egg tray forming machine adopts 4 phases rotary structure, combined with vacuum and air pressure system to realize product forming and transfer, and has the characteristics of high output, less mold, and low energy consumption. The egg tray production line adopts an 8-layer automatic drying system, which is highly efficient and energy-saving and occupies a small area. The temperature of the upper, middle, and lower layers of the drying line is controllable, and it is equipped with a heat recovery system to improve the utilization rate of energy. The moisture content of the product after forming is 69–70%, which saves drying costs. The deformation rate of the product after drying is extremely low, the appearance is neat, and the quality is good, and there is no need to reshape. The transfer and stacking of products are fully automated, without manual intervention. The egg tray production line uses less labor, low labor intensity, high production efficiency, and high pass rate. The equipment can be used to produce a series of tray products, such as fruit trays, coffee cup trays, beverage trays, prefabricated vegetable trays, and vegetable trays by changing different modes. It can continuously deliver new environmentally friendly packaging products for all walks of life.